10 benefits of lemongrass over age 50. Lemongrass, a tropical herb known for its citrusy aroma and distinct flavor, is more than just an ingredient for teas and soups. As we age, our bodies needs change, and incorporating nutrient-rich, natural remedies into our diet becomes essential. Lemongrass is emerging as a powerful superfood for individuals over the age of 50, offering a range of benefits that can improve health and enhance quality of life. From boosting digestion to protecting the heart, lemongrass is an all-rounder for wellness, and its benefits are nothing short of extraordinary. In this video, we'll explore 10 incredible benefits of lemongrass for those over 50 and why doctors are so impressed by its effects. 1. Enhances digestive health. As we age, our digestive system can become less efficient, leading to bloating, gas, or indigestion. Lemongrass is a natural digestive aid that soothes the stomach and promotes healthy digestion. Rich in essential oils, the citral and limonene compounds in lemongrass stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. Relieves bloating, it helps in expelling excess gas from the stomach and intestines, providing quick relief from bloating. Fights infections, lemongrass has antimicrobial properties that help combat harmful bacteria like E. coli and H. pylori, common culprits in gastrointestinal issues. Incorporating lemongrass tea into your daily routine can make digestion smoother and more comfortable. 2. Supports heart health. Heart health becomes a top priority after 50, and lemongrass can play a significant role in keeping your cardiovascular system in check. Reduces cholesterol levels. Lemongrass is known to lower LDL, bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, good cholesterol, preventing plaque buildup in arteries. Improves blood circulation. The herb acts as a natural vasodilator, promoting better blood flow and reducing the risk of hypertension. Prevents blood clots. Lemongrass helps maintain healthy blood viscosity, reducing the risk of strokes and heart attacks. Adding a cup of lemongrass tea or including it in your cooking can provide lasting benefits for your heart. 3. A natural anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is a common underlying factor in many age-related diseases, including arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Lemongrass is rich in anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate these conditions. Soothes joint pain. Lemongrass essential oils have been used in massages to relieve joint pain and stiffness. Reduces chronic inflammation. Its compounds target inflammatory pathways in the body, reducing swelling and pain. Improves mobility. Regular consumption of lemongrass can enhance flexibility and reduce symptoms of arthritis. Drinking lemongrass tea or applying its essential oil topically can yield significant results for joint and muscle health. 4. Boosts immunity. A strong immune system is critical as we age, and lemongrass can give it the boost it needs to fight off illnesses. Rich in antioxidants, lemongrass contains flavonoids and phenolic compounds that neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress. Fights infections. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties help ward off common infections, including colds and flu. Strengthens the immune response. The herb promotes the production of white blood cells, improving the body's ability to fight pathogens. A warm cup of lemongrass tea during cold and flu season can be your secret weapon for staying healthy. 5. Promotes weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight becomes more challenging with age, but lemongrass can aid in managing weight effectively. Boosts metabolism. Lemongrass is known to speed up the metabolism, helping the body burn calories more efficiently. Acts as a natural diuretic. It helps flush out excess water and toxins, reducing water retention and bloating. Curbs cravings. Drinking lemongrass tea before meals can reduce appetite and prevent overeating. Incorporating lemongrass into your diet can make weight management a little easier and more natural. 6. Improves skin health. Aging often brings changes to the skin, but lemongrass can help you maintain a youthful and radiant appearance. Reduces acne and pimples. Lemongrass's antimicrobial properties help cleanse the skin, reducing breakouts. Prevents aging. The antioxidants in lemongrass combat free radicals, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Tightens pores. Lemongrass acts as a natural astringent, leaving your skin toned and firm. DIY face masks or skin toners infused with lemongrass can provide a refreshing glow. 7. Aids in detoxification. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body, and lemongrass supports this process efficiently. Cleanses the liver. Lemongrass promotes the elimination of toxins from the liver, improving its function. Flushes out toxins. Its diuretic properties stimulate urination, helping to remove waste and excess salt. Boosts energy levels. Detoxifying the body enhances overall energy and vitality. Drinking lemongrass tea regularly is an excellent way to keep your body cleansed and rejuvenated. 8. Enhances mental clarity. As we age, maintaining mental sharpness is crucial. Lemongrass contains compounds that support brain health and improve cognitive function. Reduces stress and anxiety. Lemongrass has calming properties that help lower cortisol levels, reducing stress. Improves memory. Studies have shown that lemongrass may protect against cognitive decline and improve memory retention. Enhances focus. Its aroma is known to sharpen concentration and mental clarity. Aromatherapy using lemongrass essential oil or a cup of lemongrass tea can help maintain mental agility. 9. Balances blood sugar levels. Diabetes management becomes a concern for many over 50, and lemongrass can help regulate blood sugar levels naturally. Improves insulin sensitivity. Lemongrass enhances the body's ability to use insulin effectively. Lowers blood glucose. Regular consumption of lemongrass tea has been linked to stabilized blood sugar levels. Prevents spikes. It helps prevent sudden spikes and crashes, which are common in diabetes. Lemongrass tea is a simple, natural addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. 10. Supports better sleep. Good sleep becomes increasingly elusive with age, but lemongrass can help promote relaxation and restful sleep. Natural sedative. Lemongrass contains compounds like citronellal, which have calming effects on the nervous system. Relieves insomnia. Drinking lemongrass tea before bed can ease the mind and body, improving sleep quality. Reduces nighttime stress. Its soothing properties help you unwind after a long day, preparing your body for rest. Including lemongrass in your nighttime routine can transform your sleep quality and overall well-being.